Hi guys! Welcome to Dad&ally Cooks. Today, we will be cooking a very easy and simple dish that your family will love and enjoy. This is ground pork veggies, a healthy and delicious dish that will make your meal great and awesome, okay? And before anything else guys, thank you for supporting our channel and thank you for watching our awesome and yummy videos. If you want to see more, just click the subscribe button down below. Click the notification bell for you to be updated on our yummy dishes and upcoming videos. So let's start. Here are the ingredients. We will use ½ kilogram of pork, potatoes and carrots cut into cubes, onions and garlic, salt and pepper to taste, and of course, hard-boiled eggs. First, we need to boil our ground pork for about 5 minutes. Preheated pan, we will fry our potatoes. We're doing this para mas malambot at mas maganda ang texture ng ating potatoes. And we'll fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then, isusunod natin iprito ang ating carrots. Carrots is beta-carotene na talaga namang napaka-healthy. And we'll fry this one for about a minute or two together with the potatoes. Just mix and fry them very well. And after natin maprito ng maayos, we'll set this one aside first. Ilalagay muna natin siya sa isang bowl. And after that, on the same pan, dyan tayo magigisa ng ating ground pork. Tapos, we will put 40 grams of butter and we will let it melt. Okay. Pag nag-melt na ang butter, uumpisa na natin ang paggisa. Okay, we will put the garlic first and then saute. Ayan. Pag na-smell na natin yung aroma ng garlic, pwede na nating ilagay ang ating onions. Okay, just saute the garlic and onions. Ayan. And then, after that, ilalagay na natin ang ating ground pork. Okay. Ayan. Pagkalagay natin ang ating ground pork, medyo hahaluin natin siya ng mabuti. We'll mix them very well para mag-combine yung lasa ng onions and garlic together with the ground pork. Just mix them well. Medyo iprito natin siya ng matagal-tagal para mas maging mas delicious yung ating ground pork. And then, lalagyan natin siya ng half ng ating pin-repair na pepper and salt. Okay, yan. After that, saute again. So after frying and mixing for about 4 to 5 minutes, ilalagay na natin ang ating fried potatoes and carrots. Okay, gigisa lang natin sila ng maayos. I-mix natin sila ng mabuti para mag-combine lahat ng flavors and mas lalong sumarap. Okay, ayan. Okay, after frying and mixing all together, ilalagay na natin yung ating natitirang salt and pepper. Okay, ayan. Iubos na natin. Okay, just mix them well. And we're almost done. Hahalu-haluin lang natin ito in medium heat para mas lalong luminamnam ang ating ground pork together with the veggies. Okay? Dahil mas lalo siyang sasarap pag na-mix natin and naprito natin sila ng husto. Okay, so at this very moment, pinapakuluan ko na yung ating eggs. Ayan siya. And after 5 minutes, hahanguin natin yan. And then, babalatan natin yan. And then, ilalagay natin siya sa ating ground pork with veggies. Dahil isa ito sa magpapasarap ng ating dish. After we peel the eggs, ilalagay na natin siya sa ating ground pork mixed veggies. And then we'll fry it more na mga about a minute para lang mag-mix yung eggs dun sa ating ground pork and para magkaroon din siya ng lasa. Okay? And then we will cover it in a very slow heat para mas maging malinamnam pa ang ating lutuin. Okay? And after that, okay na siya. We're done. Hahanguin na natin and ilalagay na natin siya sa ating serving bowl para mailagay na sa ating hapagkainan. Okay, ayan. Nailagay na natin siya. Here it is, guys. Our 10-minute easy to cook dish. Ito ang ating ground pork veggies. Again, a very healthy and sumptuous dish that your family will love and enjoy. Please like this video, and if you have any comments, suggestions, or reactions, kindly put it in the comment section down below. And if you want to watch and learn how to cook our simple, easy, and yummy dishes, just click the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to click the notification bell for you to be updated para sa aming yummy dishes and upcoming videos. Again, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for supporting. Have a great day, guys. Bye!